Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix black screen when loading experience on Roblox PS4 and PS5. So if you load an experience here and you get a black screen, don't worry about it. If the game is not loading up for you, what you need to do here when on the black screen, you need to wait for a couple of minutes and then start pressing buttons on your controller, X, triangle, and then press until the game loads up. And if it's not working, then you just need to basically leave the experience and then try again. And if this doesn't work, then try to restart your game. You just need to press PlayStation button and then go to on the menu on your basically game, and then you just need to close the game and go again. And if this doesn't work, then try to restart your console and then enter the game. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.